If you guys want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please leave a donation below via my link in the video description below. I get hundreds of requests. I don't have time to look at all of them. So if you want a guarantee to be done, link in the video description below. Check it out. So let's take a look at Coinbase. Well, what do we see? Well, I mean, it's been correcting lower since about July of this year. So it's been a while. We made an impulse down, corrected higher, began the second impulse. Right around the target is where we're finding some sort of support, some sort of bounce, but overall still a bearish looking a pattern, right? We're still below this trend line, potentially in this wide channel now. So, has room to the downside. So overall, there's a downtrend currently in play. We're below prior levels, historically that were resistance. So we're back below this level right here or this level. So that's not a good sign. If we come back up to the 300 level, it can act as resistance. So prior support can turn into future resistance, and then we might even see lower prices. So as right now, the chart is a lot more bearish than bullish. If it was me, I would look for a little pullback and potential short opportunity, short setup here for riding another leg down. Why? Because that's a there's a bearish territory. As long as we're below the 300 level, all this is bearish. We need to break above that, break through that trend line, and see a sustainable move up. So that would be the bullish case, a nice move up, pull back, hold for support, and then rally, right? That's the bullish case, which I think is unlikely looking at the structure right now. It looks like we might just do 2 legs back for another leg down because of the structure. So overall, looking bearish for Coinbase. You could draw the trend line across. We have a lot of room to that downward trend line, right? You connect this swing to this swing to this swing to this swing, and there's a lot of room right here, which is currently right around the high 100s, 180s, 190s for Coinbase. So Coinbase in trouble. We just hit the all-time high previously. So if that was prior resistance, we're finding resistance from there once again. That's just how the market works, right? Whatever has happened can happen again. Just not looking bullish, right? It's a pretty bearish looking chart for right now. Not as bearish as MSTR, but still bearish unless we can see a drastic reversal very soon, right? At least back up to $300, back up to the $300 level and higher. Let's look at the weekly chart. Let's remove all the drawings, keep it simple. It's still, making higher highs, higher lows. This is, like I said before, this is still a correction, but going this far low and not reversing yet is not the greatest sign ever. It's not the end of the world, but we want to see a break above 300 with conviction. If not, we may see price just continue to roll over back down to the hundreds, high 100s, even mid 100s. That's where this double bottom is at. So we had a double bottom at 150. So Coinbase, most likely we'll see lower prices develop until we can see a strong break above $300. That's all I have to say for Coinbase. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.